Hi everyone. Today I'm going to start my new series I'm going to be doing on my channel, and it's going to be hashtag Kathie's World Recycle Day. And it's an open collaboration. Anyone can join in. All I ask is that you give credit back and use the hashtag Kathie's World Recycle Day. And everything you use for your project, I would like for you to be recycling something. So, Rosemary Morris at the Rusty Peacock has just put out a new kit. And yes, I've already bought it. I didn't even finish watching the video. I saw 3 things and said, okay, yep, I'm going to do it. So, I am going to recycle this beautiful cookbook and make her farm fresh journal in it. Her journal, or her caboodle, as she calls them, caboodle kit. But I'm going to turn it into a journal. So, or maybe, I don't know. Right now, I'm thinking it's going to become a journal. But you guys know me. I get to working on something. I say, oh, but wait, I could do, oh no, wait, I could do, and, you know, I have a lot of squirrel moments lately. So, I know we all see 1,001 cookbooks in these YouTube sales, and I've had several people ask me, well, what on earth do you do with them? Well, I'll show you. This is the first come, first served in Savannah, a taste of Southern history and hospitality. And it was St. Andrew's School Parent-Teacher Organization in Savannah, Georgia. And I do pick up a lot of these in thrift stores and stuff because I use the heck out of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in with a glue stick. And I'm just going to start putting 2 pages together. And you might ask, why 2 pages? Because I want my pages to be thicker. This is very thin paper. It would probably sell pretty good if I just tore it out because it is so thick. But I use a lot of these to make glue books. I use them to make art journals. And I'm not going, right now I'm saying I'm not going to gesso these pages. I may gesso some. It depends on what I put on them as to whether or not they will need a cover or something to close it all out, you know, so you can't see the background. But I think Farm Fresh and a Southern cookbook, it won't matter if the background's showing through. Or if I do gesso any of it, it will be like with a very light watered down wash so that the background still shows through. But it's simple, it's easy. You just put your 2 pages together, push them down, and go all the way through the whole book, doing the same thing. Oh, do I want that page? I do want that page, so this page is going to be 3. And, you know, you can do it any way you want, 2, 3, 4 pages together. Just make sure if you have any glue hanging off the ends, you take it off. That way your pages don't stick to each other. And if they do, it's no big catastrophe because you've already glued pages together anyway. So, just come back. Oh, I love wasabi. I love wasabi. I love it, love it, love it. Nothing better on a cold day than a hot cup. So, get the idea? Just, you know, use up these books you have. And it doesn't even have to be a recipe book. But because of the theme of her caboodle, I decided it would be. And how cool that, you know, I can sit and watch videos while I'm gluing pages together. I can watch YouTube lives, sales, whatever. And just keep putting pages together so that when the kit arrives, I can start it. I may have to take out some of the center pages. We'll see. that's easy too, guys. Just flip it open, go to the center of whatever book you're working with, and start taking out pages so that when you go to close whatever you're making, it does close. It's not all set up like this because you have too much stuff in it. So this is going to be the beginning of my recycle day, and it's starting September the 1st, and it's going to run. I mean, I'm not going to stop it because I want to try to get more people involved in recycling what they have and, you know, repurposing it. And it does not have to be just crafts. If you're some of my RV community watchers and you want to redo something in your RV, find something you can recycle to put it in there instead of going out and buying new. If you're in the eBay community, you know you have a lot of stuff sitting around that has not sold. Upcycle it, make it into something else, and then put it back in your shop and see if you can sell it. And please let me know if that works, because that would be super fun to find out that worked. Alright guys, I'm waiting to see all your videos. Use the hashtag #RecycleDay. No, hashtag Kathie's World Recycle Day. Alright, I hope you join the fun. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.